Okay, it's a 92 Plymouth Voyager 3.3 engine, and replacing the heater core, AC evaporator, then the blower motor. Blower motor's just under there. Easy to do, you just got to switch out the blade here, the fan. Just remove this piece here, switch out that. That's done. And I'm just replacing everything since I got this out. And then the back here, there's some studs that go through the firewall. So that's how you take those out. And then inside here, there's a bracket right there. There's a bracket right here. And that pretty much takes it out with those studs in the firewall, and that's about it. Yeah. The glove box and the whole thing comes out like that. And then on the bottom here, you want to get these. There's a bolt here, one on the other side. Then when you take the drawer out, you got to take the cigarette or the ashtray, the drawer. So there's just some clips along the top. Do those, you pull the drawer out, and then there's two screws in the back here on both sides, and then this whole piece will come out. It's pretty easy to do. And while I'm in there replacing the hoses from the heater core to the engine there, water pump, and then to the manifold, intake manifold there. So that's about it. You can just do the you could do the blower motor by leaving the whole box inside there, and then just drop that. Then replace the blower motor, but since 92 it's all original, I figured take everything apart, just replace it.